How to fix Syncers crashing on Steam. So first, if you have Syncers installed, you will need to right click on the game, go to properties, and then installed files, and click on verify the integrity of game files, and wait for it to be done. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and right click on Syncers exe, and then go to properties, compatibility, and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close everything and click on the play button again to test the game to see if that fixes the problem. Otherwise, if it persists, you will need to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app installed. Go to drivers section and click on check for updates. Download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And then you want to open up your browser and search for Redist like this. And then click on the first link and make sure to download and install these redistributables, the 86th version and the 64. Individually install them. Once both of them are installed, you will need to restart your computer and then open up Steam again and simply launch the game. And that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.